So, you've heard about StashAway, right? This investment platform that promises to grow your money. But the real question is, can you actually make money on StashAway? Let's dive in and find out. StashAway is an investment platform that uses a robo-advisor approach. This means it automates the investment process, making it accessible to everyone, even if you're new to investing. It offers a variety of investment plans, each tailored to different risk profiles and financial goals. How does StashAway work? Risk assessment. You start by taking a quick risk assessment quiz. This helps StashAway understand your financial goals and risk tolerance. Portfolio allocation. Based on your risk profile, StashAway automatically allocates your money across a diversified portfolio of ETFs. Automated rebalancing. As market conditions change, StashAway periodically rebalances your portfolio to maintain your desired risk level. Can you actually make money? The short answer is, it depends. While StashAway offers a convenient way to invest, it's important to understand that investing always involves risk. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Factors affecting returns. Market performance. The overall performance of the stock market and global economy plays a significant role. Your investment strategy. The specific investment plan you choose will impact your returns. Higher risk plans have the potential for higher returns, but they also come with higher risk. Fees. StashAway charges a management fee, which can impact your overall returns. Tips for maximizing your returns on StashAway. Set clear financial goals. Having specific goals can help you stay focused and make informed investment decisions. Understand your risk tolerance. Choose an investment plan that aligns with your comfort level. Stay informed. Keep up to date on market trends and economic news. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Don't get swayed by short-term market fluctuations. The bottom line. StashAway can be a great way to start investing, especially for beginners. However, it's not a guaranteed path to wealth. By understanding the risks, choosing the right investment plan, and staying patient, you can increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.